types of set in volleyball. Slow set. This type of set is incredibly popular among volleyball beginners. Actually, the set can be done by volleyball players for all skills level. The ball should be set high in the air. Also, a ball should have a slow trajectory. Four set. The four set is known for being a high set. The ball goes high in the air when the ball is set. The ball has a trajectory of about 3 meters. It is a good idea to take advantage of the foreset when it's necessary to set the ball to the left fourth hitter. 5 set. When the ball is set this way, it goes about 3 meter high. Actually, the height of set can be reduced if a setter and hitter understand each other well and cooperate with each other on court successfully. It makes a lot of sense to take advantage of the 5 set when it's necessary to set the ball on the higher hitter. Too slow set. The too slow set is not a high set. The high of set is 1 meter only, so a hitter should be able to approach the ball very quickly. It is a good idea to take advantage of too slow set when it's necessary to set the ball to the middle hitter. The two set works well when the attack hit is carried out in the middle part of the net. Second tempo set. Second tempo set are faster comparing to the slow tempo setting. That's the reason why the set of this type is recommended to experienced volleyball setter. Hot set. The height of set is 1 meter only. The ball is set within 1 meter. The hot is the type of set that's recommended when the need to set the ball to the left fourth hitter arises. The 32 set. The 32 set is used to make it difficult for the opposing team blocker to resist an attack hit. It's fair to set that this type of set is confusing for volleyball blockers. Blockers simply can't understand if the attack will be carried out from the front part of the court or from the middle part of the court. Red set. The ball set to the opposite hitter. A hitter carries out an attack hit in the right front part of the court. The set height is less than 1 meter. It's crucial for an attacker to be able to reach to the red set quickly. Two set, second tempo set. It's worth noting that this type of set is similar to the two slow set. The only difference is that the ball is set closer to the hitter. It's also important to note that the second tempo set is much slower comparing to the two slow set. Fast tempo sets. Fast tempo sets are recommended to experienced setters as well as hitters. Both hitters and attackers have to attack very quickly and professionally. A hitter has to start moving toward the ball ahead of time. A volleyball hitter has to start approaching to the place of attacks once the ball is passed to setters. Shot sets. The shot set is right type of set when it's necessary to send the ball to the left front hitter. When the ball is set this way, the ball goes parallel to the top of the net. The shot requires a good understanding between setter and hitter. A setter and hitter have to focus on timing. Hop shot set. The hop shot set is done when it's necessary to set the ball to either middle hitter or the outside hitter. It's worth noting that this type of set requires timing. It's crucial for a setter to know where an attack prefers to carry an attack hit. 31 set. The 31 set is done when it's necessary to attack the ball in the middle of the court, so the ball is set to the middle hitter. The 31 set is not easy to do. The set requires certain experience. 1 set. The 1 set is very fast set. The 1 set is also known as quick set. It's often done by professional volleyball players during important matches. The ball is set above the net. The ball goes high in the air after setting, so a middle hitter finds it easy to carry out an attack hit. Back one set. The back one set is very similar to one set. The ball goes low and very quickly after setting. As a result, the ball goes behind the setter. The ball is set to the middle hitter. Slide set. The ball usually has a reverse trajectory after the set. In order to carry out an attack hit, a hitter has to jump off the left foot and slide toward the right foot. When hitting, a player makes a sharp swing. As a result, the ball goes quickly after hitting.